Biamono batigari ba minto litkoria rero nchenkoro ku Lumumba Patrick, a former county secretary ya Kisii County. Ntuanse program yo gotarera ebinyoro byaito korora mangana kitoranyare okonyana nebinyoro byaito litkoria rero tare 18 nagende chiskuru chiarenge Bogusero South ese constituency yaito ya Kitutu Chache South naenda Nyabiongo Primary School naro naenda Bokebu Primary School, Bototo Primary School, Aganga Primary School na Ruora Primary School. Nanyara mna abana baito nabo babakanyeti ogokonya kurese community yaito ikiara nanyora abana enrollment ise school iche chire igoro nabona na facilities nabo chire mete igona ataka goterende mna intu mna ufanisi ntoteme kokonya storanyare nanda abantu baito nimatembe nyarete ese constituency yaito nense yaito ya Kenya simuranyara gokonya ikiara school eche na chio the foundation oso musingi wa bana baito ikiara na butubwate bono bagocha gutorenda oroche mne ense yabeire abana ne kisemi nekigento gyo korosiense igeso etaro yani tukoria rero nasogete mambia sana sa 3 gorkonya na ikiri school echio nagoka ko kumera na abalimu nakwanera abalimu nababe komoyo ikia abalimu abakolega sienkong bagosomia abana bange classes inchisa inimna narora ne binte binge bibaremete lakini kiagera orocha abana bange bono babere ndosi school cheito bono tobwente gochenchia chinchera togokonya school cheito egera abana abaito banyare okonyeka ikiagera basic primary education ose ECD nero musingi ose primary schools ose junior school nero musingi ye foundation yeto mnense yeto ya Kenya igo ninchyanyo libaga ntalire chi ward chinde ase Kitutu Chache South kuligeri nanga kitoranyare okonyana ikiagera bono utatariti omwalimu agotebi gose principal gotebi ese mechandere tokunyara komanya ese mechandere goikoge ndororo ikaranse na baro bulit korigima nyige konyarekana goso kore chinza chisaine egero kwana na baro kibubaito abo bwate gasien kong sana gasien kong yogosomia abana baito nokogora obongo bwa abana baito biamono.
To see you driving better cars than the ones you drive. I want to see you using gas to cook. How many of you use firewood to cook here? You use firewood? Yes. I want you to start using gas if you work hard at school. So with those very remarks, I want to thank the head teacher. I've listened to him. We shall come back again as Ufanisi to be with you. So today I want to donate some balls. Who is a good footballer here? And did he bring the pump? Yeah. Yeah. Good footballer, come here. Throw these balls and you stop it nicely. I'm going to buy you football shoes. All right? If you just have to make sure you stop the ball. Okay? 1, 2, 3. One more try. You just have to stop the ball and you have a pair of shoes. 1, 2, 3. Just want you to hold the ball up. There you go. Okay, come you hold the ball. Come. Hold the ball. One boy. All right, come now. You hold the ball. You just hold the ball.
Acha mjasema thank you. Can we take back our sweets? Thank you.